Welcome to Product Spotlight. I'm John Heiss, Director of Sports and Fitness at Herbalife and lead scientist behind our Herbalife24 products. Herbalife24 is a comprehensive performance nutrition program that meets the needs of athletes 24 hours a day. One of the guiding principles of Herbalife24 is that the products fulfill highly specific needs. This philosophy is particularly apparent when it comes to our post-exercise recovery products. Recovery from different sports requires different types of nutrients. Endurance exercise depletes energy reserves, so a good recovery routine is essential. The greater the number and frequency of exercise sessions an athlete participates in, the more important recovery becomes. Herbalife24 Rebuild Endurance is a recovery supplement for use after endurance or aerobic exercise that contains both carbohydrate and protein. It's perfect for athletes like cyclists, runners, football players, or even people doing intense workouts in the gym like CrossFit. During an aerobic workout, your body relies heavily on its internal muscle carbohydrate stores for energy. This supply is called glycogen, and once its levels are depleted, they must be replaced by consuming carbohydrates. Rebuild Endurance provides 36 grams of carbohydrate and a blend of maltodextrin, fructose, and sucrose to help athletes efficiently replenish what they've lost during exercise. Timing is essential when it comes to recovery. That's why we've combined carbohydrates with 10 grams of high-quality dairy protein, a natural combination of whey and casein. Protein is the building block of muscle and helps build lean muscle mass, particularly important after exercise. Rebuild Endurance contains vitamins C and E, which help protect the body's cells from oxidative stress. Vitamin C also helps reduce tiredness and fatigue, with iron contributing to oxygen transport within the body. We've also added vitamins B1 and B2, which contribute to normal energy metabolism. Rebuild Endurance does not have any artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners, and as with all the products in the Herbalife24 line, is fully tested for banned substances, so you can have complete confidence in our product. You can try Rebuild Endurance and all of the great Herbalife24 products by ordering today from an Herbalife independent distributor. Thanks for watching.